Hi-hos.
Hi-ho, it's home from work we go.
So, yes, I know today I look like trash and I'm bending over just to get a fucking correct angle. I'm still in my pyjamas. So, well, I bought some makeup from September Rose. I bought 2 palettes because they were on sale. The colours that I always use in my old palettes are really badly hitting pan. Like, it's 90% pan. It's a cute little... I guess from the title of this video you can guess that we're unboxing makeup. I've already thrown, well, the boxes away and I've washed my hands because they're actually smaller than I was expecting, but I don't know why I was expecting big packages. They've got a nice art on them. I appreciate that. I don't know how to fucking open it. Oh. Apparently the first ingredient that's listed is talc. So we'll see how that goes. I don't mind that much, but I just hope they're not that powdery. Obviously I picked these palettes for the colours, so yeah, shall I swatch these? Then I'm gonna have the other palette. Later on today or tomorrow I'll do a look with the palettes. Starting off with milk tea. Does feel really powdery, but it's fine. We can work with that. I mean, it's not the worst. Then we're gonna grab cold brew. Oh fuck. I don't know if you saw that, but it completely just came off the pan. I mean, it's really powdery as well. You can see it more clearly than you would my other glitter shades that I've owned. That's depressing. There seems to be a stain on it as well, like right above that one. We're gonna grab red velvet. That one's also kind of... Oh, this one seems like it's going to do better, which is good because the reds and the purples and the oranges are what I got this one. A bit blotchy, but we can work with it. No, we can work with that. We can build it up. It's buildable. I don't know why I'm pretending to be a beauty guru. I'm just concerned about what my money's got. Iced tea. Oh, that one's nice. I like that. And I've got 15 minutes before I need to be in lesson, so rooibos. No clue what that is. Maybe I'm just uncultured. These are really surprisingly chalky, but it's fine. I mean, I usually get palettes from like cheaper brands as well, so now we've got ginger. Sophia. Yeah, they're buildable. They may not be the best quality, but if I'm gonna have colour on my eye, I'm gonna have colour on my eye. Tea latte. Oh, this one won't show up on my skin because it's basically my skin colour, but that's good, I use that. Yeah, you can't see it. Spice chai. Oh, that one feels better. I don't know why. And I just put it on top of the tea latte because I couldn't see it. Oh well, if you need a reference, my skin colour. There is French vanilla, which again is practically... Oh, no, it's a bit more pink actually. I was expecting it to just be a bit darker than my skin. Then we have puer, which means woman in Latin, or girl, sorry. It really comes off the pan easily, which honestly makes me feel better about it being chalky because then maybe it's not as chalky as I think. Or maybe I'm just dumb. Nice, nice, nice. Gonna use that a lot. Then we have pumpkin spice. Very nice, very
nice.
Something I miss on a regular basis. Just joking, I'm a chai latte girl, but you know, pumpkin spice is Halloween things, so... Ooh, it's like a mustard yellow, I like that. And like every second I'm just like, who's gonna watch me blab on about these when I literally just own Revolution apart from this? And it's sweet tea, it's a bit more pink than the red velvet. Not pink, but you know, like more on the blue scale. I feel like I'll use that one less than red velvet. Look at my fingers. I'm professional, guys. Then we have classic chai. So spice chai and classic chai are completely different. This is like a... I don't know if you can fucking see that. I'll do a close-up in a minute. Then we have almond and cinnamon. I'm just gonna do this at the same time. To save time. Because I need to get ready for class. Why am I doing this now? I don't know. Because I just received it and I'm impatient as well. That's why. Almond, it looks quite green actually. It's kind of weird, but I feel like I might like it. Ooh, dark cinnamon. Loose leaf, which is just the black. This one's probably going to be the least used, ironically, because I don't feel like black goes well on my eyes. Might give it a shot because I never learned my lesson. So yeah, those are all the shades. I'm going to show you a close-up. This is what you call professional kids. I'll wash them in a minute. So I've come over to the window to show you guys. I might do a close-up in a minute, but then I'd have to reset the settings. Okay, I literally have, oh shit, fuck. I literally have 7 minutes before I have to be in class. So we're gonna hurry this up. And I lied about washing my hand, I'm just gonna do it on this hand. Again, really nice art, I enjoy the art. That's the pen. I'm gonna have to speed through because I still need to change. All these are matte, which is, I've already stained it. But yeah, these are matte, which is what I always wear. Slush 2, the other one was called Brew, this one's Slush 2, that makes sense now. And some nice bright colours. The other ones are my usual colours, but then I like to experiment sometimes, so we're quickly gonna do this. Okay, so the first one's called Pink Mojo. This orange peach is not doing its job. That's so bad. Unless it's just my skin tone. But the pink is really bright, so that's fine. Then we have another white. I need so many of these now. Yeah, the other one's stronger as well, I think. I'll just rub it on my trousers. No. Because I'm panicking, that's fine. Oh, these all have like, makes sense now, Slush. They've got names of like alcoholic drink. Then we have Blue Mojito and Gooseberry. These I feel like are worse in opacity, but it's fine because I'm still going to use them and you can always just fucking use water or whatever, you know. Let's hope. We're going to see when I try the looks. Then we have Coral Oasis and Pineapple Rum. Yeah, these are not as good in opacity. They also have talc as the first ingredient, surprisingly, from the same people, Jesus. Screwdriver and Blue Diablo. Oh, I like that one. It felt nice in the pan as well. Which is good because I've been wanting to experiment more with blues and greens. Mint berry and triple berry. I like the colours, so that's all that matters, really. Tequila feels nice. Hopefully that will, maybe not. Okay, no, it kind of works. Tequila Sunrise is much better than the first orange. Lemon Mint. Oh, that's going to work well with my hair. Blue Monday. Blackberry. Oh, that's going to be nice to play with, even though it's not, again, the opacity is not the greatest, but we're going to have a play with them. These were better in opacity. Yeah, these were the brew palette. I'm going to put the next row down here. Red wine felt really nice in the pan, and even though it's a bit blotchy, the opacity is good. And then frozen sangria. That's nice. I feel like they kind of go with that palette more almost. Then there's an apple cider. Nice, I like that. And blue steel. I'm going to have a lot to play with. It's going to be fun. Last one is purple potion. Okay, quick, because like my battery's really off, but like that one was really pigmented if you can see it. And that's that palette done.
Yeah. Yeah. This game is numb, I'm flowing the hardest. The game is about going the farthest, but winning the draw without a gun and blocking the sun. And then I will run, feeling the tension under my knees. Drop to the floor, God, please let me live. I live till I die, to death I reply. Not even a sign, cause I'm feeling myself and I'm feeling my work. If I go missing like Jedi return, call me Reverend, cause I got no feeling. Do or do not, that ain't no scheming. Never alone, let alone lonely. Trouble at home, but it don't touch me. Yo, rubber no stone, but I did foresee. For the years you won't never guilty. Flame propane, I like Cobain. vein. Not to blame, but it's just my brain. I'll never retire, only conspire to rid of this world of all that is vile. If you talk with me. If I walk with glee. Time to talk, that's heresy. Writing down honesty. Break it down, break it down, break it down. Tactics, break it down, break it down, break it down. Checklist, break it down, break it down, break it down. Tactics, break it down, break it down, break it down. Checklist. Listen to my lip. Listen to my lip. Listen to my lip. Listen to my lip. My knee is busted up, but I'll need this in the face. When I'm hearing about some people, dear God, it's a disgrace. I found my way today, but I'll always be lost. The road to all forgiveness has a very big cost. The angels and the demons flying with me side to side. When I'm dodging all the issues to the laws, I'll abide. Some roses, some daisies, my heart will take me places. I'm hunting out my mind and all I leave is traces. Break it down, break it down, break it down. Tactics, break it down, break it down, break it down. Checklist, break it down, break it down, break it down. Tactics, break it down, break it down, break it down. Checklist.
También con esto.
¿Quieres hacer todas?
Break it down, break it down, break it down. Tactics, break it down, break it down, break it down. Checklist, break it down,